wise man once said, the mind is like an iceberg, you know? Just get some nice pressure, sandal, ube, sago. And then you have halo-halo. Just like Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic approach, in here, he mentions the constant struggle between the ego and the id. And the superego, which is the voice or the conscience. Our reality is what we call ego. The id may be hidden, but all secrets will be revealed. Come join me and my partner, and as we try to get to know the id within. So now we will ask our upperclassmen about the id within. So kuya, if there were no rules, no conscience, no good or bad, no right or wrong, what is the thing that you really want to do? What is your inner desire?
I would, you see this corridor out there? It is circular, you know, with ultimate students and nursing.
Circular.
Yeah, it's kind of circular square.
Roger that.
I will run around naked.
Oh, so why don't you transfer, kuya, with all due respect to UP, the oblation?
Because on the oblation they are required to wear their masks.
Oh, yeah.
And I want to be recognized.
Are you not scared of gay people will pounce you?
I'm looking for a fight. So I would appreciate if they would touch my lala. So I can do something really nasty.
You want your tralala to be...
Yes, touched. So that's the last thing that they would touch in their entire life.
Kuya, if there are no rules, no conscience, no right or wrong, no good or evil, what is the very particular thing that you would like to do? What is your inner desire?
Inner desire. Tumira sa ano pa.
If there were no rules, no conscience, no good or bad, no right or wrong, what's the one thing that you really want to do, your inner desire?
I'll give peace to the world.
So you will eradicate all bad people, like example, Osama Bin Laden.
I like his beard.
Very good. So, describe your mood now.
I'm stressed.
Stressed. So, using your actions, sir, show us your mood. Very nice. So, there you go. I'm, you know, like a flashbang in the face, and I'm shocked. So, that's it.
Masaya kasi tapos na exams. Yeah!
你为什么看中一个SC 的 officer?
What?
So, describe your mood now.
I'm feeling burned out because of the subjects that I am encountering right now.
But if there is smoke, there is fire, but I don't see smoke. So why are you burned out if you are not in flames?
Because the burn is inside of me.
It's very good. So show us using your actions, very simple actions, your mood. What a very dynamic, I like this guy.
大家好，我是朱范基，早安。现在我们 behavioral psychoanalytic 完了，我们来去他们的 perspective。
In this perspective, we have the big five. Ma'am, can you give us a brief explanation of the different domains of personality? The first domain about surgency and extraversion. What is that? Can you explain it in layman's terms? Our friends could understand from the overseas and TFC.
In a way that you can understand. Well, pagiging malapit sa tao or pagiging malayo sa tao. Extraversion is pagiging maligaling. You know, kapag medyo mahihain ka ng konti, mas gusto mo ng quiet time para sa sarili mo, introversion.
Ma'am, what are your dreams?
Do I need to tell you honestly?
Ma'am, it's up to you. Lying is fine.
Life is fun. See the world.
Ma'am, you want to travel a lot.
Yes.
Why do you want to travel?
Because I enjoy knowing more about people, culture. It helps me appreciate what I have. And yeah, basically.
So,
There's learning in traveling.
Mm.
You learn more when you travel.
yeah, that's why. If you have a dream, what time will you wake up?
Normally, I wake up in the morning, early in the morning, because I alarm.
Where did Sandara park?
I don't know.
Maybe. Ma'am, can you share a simple joke to our fellow students? So that we will be uplifted of our miseries in studying.
Hindi ako joker eh.
Ma'am, you are not the joker, right?
I'm not.
So you may be the Riddler, Catwoman, Dr. Freeze, or any
Poison
of Batman.
Ivy.
Poison Ivy, I forgot that.
For my dreams, I have so many dreams.
If you are dreaming,
My dream is to become successful in life. What time will I wake up? Never.
Kuya, what are your dreams?
Dream. Dati maging basketball player.
What time will you wake up?
Again.
If you have a dream, what time will you wake up?
8 a.m.